Hello everyone, this is example 1 of a problem involving indices. Now, without using mathematical tables or calculator, evaluate. So evaluate this. Now, we are going to apply the laws of indices. Now, this first part will apply this law that x raised to n over m is equals to root of m x raised to n. Then this second part will apply this law: x over y power negative n over m is equals to y over x power m over n. Now, solution. Starting the first part, applying the law, our x is 27 and our m is 3 and our n is 2. It will be 27, then cube root squared, then times the second part. We apply this law, so our x is 81, our y is 16, then our n is -1, then our m is 4. So it will be y, which is 16 over 81 raised to 1 over 4. Now, cube root of 27 is 3. So 3 power 2 times 4th root of 16 over 81, like that. So 3 squared is 9 times 4th root of 16 is 2 over 4th root of 81 is 3. So 9 times 2 over 3 gives us 6.